In today's demo, we're going to show you how we analyze safeguards in our facility. This facility has over 1,000 safeguards listed in their PHA. Let's go to the analysis. We'll filter by maximum criticality to identify the high-value safeguards and prioritize these safety-critical elements. PSL 101 shows up at the top of the list. Let's deep dive into where this safeguard is used across these different scenarios and the type of risk reduction that it provides. We can click through to the P and ID to get context on the engineering design, the representation of other safeguards, and important process data to understand the upstream and downstream impacts for the node in which it's represented. Let's download this and share this information with our team in our report for the upcoming field engineering project. We can view the raw PHA data in the data viewer to filter for all the relevant scenarios where this safeguard is represented. Scrolling through, let's move to the bow tie centers. This safeguard is expressed in the explosion of LTC reactor bow tie. We'll download the CSV of these scenarios and add them to our report as well. Now, let's go review the AI-generated bow tie to see the full scenario. Entering the bow tie center description, we will pull up the relevant bow tie. Let's explore this scenario to learn more about what this safeguard is protecting against. You can see the relevant consequences and the other safeguards used in these scenarios. Perhaps they can function as contingencies while this one is bypassed. We can download the bow tie to include it in our report for the operations and engineering project team to communicate the contingency safeguards to mitigate risk. Moving on, let's explore the AI insights into how this safeguard is being applied to protect our people and our facility. First, we enter our prompt. The system will then leverage its knowledge base and advanced AI models to create a full safeguard report from the RskLess AI Insights module. This critical process safety information can inform and influence executives, engineers, and operations teams across the organization. We'll see a complete report summarized covering the safeguard across a range of aspects. We'll learn more about its function and design with reference to industry standards. We'll see the risk reduction it achieves and its credibility, with potential limitations that we should be watching for as process safety engineers. Understanding industry incidents relevant to this type of safeguard failing is another important insight. The CSB has a report from June of 2016 with the enterprise products gas plant incident. We can go back to our sources and references to validate them. Although there are no recommendations in the PHA file, there are, based on industry standards, important considerations with respect to the credibility and maintenance of this safeguard. We can prepare critical questions that we can ask of operations supervisors and personnel. In summary, we have now done a deep dive into your safeguard to help you prepare for any upcoming engineering changes, maintenance prioritization, emergency bypass, or other use case in a matter of minutes using AI layered on your PHA data. Contact us. We can provide more information or to set up a demo.